Moving on, we are going to do psychology is a social science. Psychology tries to study human behavior in socio-cultural context. So what they are saying that psychology is a subject which tries to study human behavior in the society and in the culture that they live in. That is why it is considered as a social science. Man not only gets affected by social and cultural factors but also influences them. So what they are saying, we human beings, we don't only get affected by the society we live in or the culture that we live in, but we also influence or we also change the society and the culture that we live in. The culture and the society which was there when your parents and your grandparents were living is totally different than the society which you and your children will live in. Okay, so what has happened is that we human beings, we affect the society and the culture, and in return the society and culture also affects us. Psychology is a social science as it tends to touch the social side which is present in every human being. So what is they saying, that psychology is a social science because it tries to touch or it tries to go into the areas of the social side, because every human being, we do interact in the environment, in the society that is around us. Okay, next is, it is through psychology that one tries to study human behavior and its different aspects in the society. So what they are saying is that in psychology we try to understand human behavior from different aspects, or you say different viewpoints, based on the society we live in. Okay, why? Because we tend to live in the society, and that is why our human behavior, we tend to show it in the society only, right? So what are they saying? We show our behavior in the society, and that is why different parts of the society are studied by the psychologists to understand human behavior. Okay, like and based on it laws and theories are derived. So what do? They study human behavior in different areas or different parts of the society, and based on their study of the human behavior in different parts and areas of the society, the psychologists form various laws, various theories. Okay, for this an effort is made to study both types of behavior, that is individual level and also in the group level. So there are efforts or there are mehnat is done in order to understand the human behavior of a person when the person is alone and when the person is in group. Human behavior is shaped in the context with the society and culture where he belongs to. Our behavior, the way we behave, the way we react, the way we talk, depends on the society we live in and the culture we have been brought up in. For example, a young woman who is brought up in the city like Ahmedabad or Baroda in Gujarat, her lifestyle, dressing habits, eating habits and her competitiveness will be very different from a young woman who is brought up in a Adivasi region of Bihar or Madhya Pradesh. So what they are saying, if you compare two women, one is a woman who is born and brought up in Ahmedabad or Baroda. Okay, so her way of dressing, her way of walking, way of eating food, her competitiveness, okay, competencies means her talents, her areas, her confidence will be very different from another girl who has been born and brought up in Adivasi region from Bihar or Madhya Pradesh. Obviously, a girl who is brought up in Ahmedabad will be more matured, will be confident, would be independent, would be hardworking, would have been educated, while the other girl who is from Adivasi region of Bihar or Madhya Pradesh would not have studied so much, would be only doing ghar ka kaam, would not talk a lot. So there is a difference seen in the way people are in different kind of the society that they live in. Your sociological and cultural environment is responsible. So what they are saying, your society and your cultural environment play a very important role in what you are, who you are and what will you do in your life ahead. Psychology is trying to understand and explain human behavior based on socio-cultural environment. So what they are saying, that psychology tries to understand human behavior from societal point of view and from cultural point of view also. Psychology is a behavioral science. Behavioral science meaning it studies behavior. Those sciences which try to study human or animal behavior are recognized as behavioral sciences. So what are behavioral sciences? any science which studies human or animal behavior. Over and above psychology, there are other sciences also which study human behavior, which are sociology, economics, political science, anthropology, etc. So what they are saying, it's not only the subject of psychology that studies human behavior, but there are other science subjects also that studies behavior, like sociology, economics, political science, anthropology. All these subjects also study human behavior. Psychology also studies human behavior, so it is a behavioral science. Now psychology, the subject, also studies human behavior, and that is why it is called as behavioral science. As there is a fundamental difference between pure and natural sciences and social sciences. So they are saying that there are no major differences between pure science, natural science and social science. The knowledge gained from different sciences are used to study one another. मतलब कि what knowledge I get in psychology, I can use it in sociology to study. What knowledge I can get from sociology, I can use it in economics to study. So what they are saying, that the knowledge you get from one subject, you can use it in another subject to study it. Okay. For example, seeing and hearing competency, in the same way knowledge from autonomy can be used by physics to study in different theories. Okay, so what they are saying is, for example, knowledge from physics can be used by psychology to study anatomy of eye and ear with respect to seeing and hearing competency. So what they are saying, that your laws of physics, your laws of how physics work, that you can use in order to understand seeing and hearing capacities in a person, which is very important in psychology. Okay, the fact what your eyes see, what your ears hear, are something very important in the subject of psychology. And in order to understand the anatomy એટલે how the ear is made up of, how the eye is made up of, you depend on physics. Okay, in the same way knowledge from autonomy can be used in physics to study different sciences. So what they are saying, that you can use the theories of physics to study different sciences and to study different theories. In C.T. Morgan's word, psychology is a behavioral science which is confluence of natural science like physics and social science like sociology, anthropology, etc. So what they said, according to C.T. Morgan, psychology is a behavioral science, it studies behavior, which is a confluence meaning mix of natural science like physics and social science like sociology, anthropology, etc.